US Supreme Court is hearing a crucial case and the world is watching. It's about tariffs, the Trump tariffs that hit the world and created chaos in the global trade landscape. The Supreme Court has showered the Trump administration with serious questions, and now the legality of the tariffs are being challenged. What did the court say? Here's a report.
A high-stakes showdown is underway at the U.S. Supreme Court, where justices are evaluating the legality of tariffs imposed by President Donald Trump. Tariffs that have reshaped America's trade agenda and sparked fierce debate about the limits of presidential power. On Wednesday, the justices took a hard look at whether Trump's sweeping tariffs, imposed under the 1977 International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEPPA, crossed a constitutional line. Lower courts previously ruled that the president had overstepped his authority, setting the stage for this landmark Supreme Court review. The case hinges on a critical question. Are tariffs like these simply economic tools, or are they, in effect, taxes that only Congress, not the president, can impose? An attorney representing small businesses hit hard by the levies argued that IEEPA was never meant to give any president unlimited power to set and reset tariffs on any product from any country at any time. A judge also echoed this view, saying, "They say tariffs are not taxes, but that's exactly what they are. They're generating money from American citizens." In fact, the tariffs in question are projected to bring in more than $3.3 trillion for the government, a point the administration downplayed as a collateral effect. Questions were also raised about precedent. No president before Trump has ever used IEEPA to impose tariffs since the act was passed in 1977. Some judges pressed government lawyers on whether the language "regulate importation" truly gives a president tariff-setting authority, and how Congress could realistically curb such power in the future, especially given the difficulty of overcoming a presidential veto. The stakes are huge. At least $90 billion in revenue has been collected from these tariffs, according to Customs and Border Protection. If the Supreme Court rules against the Trump administration, businesses could be eligible for refunds, prompting some experts to warn that the process could be a mess. Yet those supporting the legal challenge argue this complexity is no reason to allow what they call presidential overreach. So what happens next? Prediction markets put the odds of Trump's tariffs surviving at under 30%, with analysts noting that a Supreme Court decision against the tariffs could force future administrations to rely on more limited legal avenues for implementing trade restrictions. Either way, the ruling will redefine how the United States balances executive action with congressional authority over trade and taxation.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.